Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a system that destroys fats based on a special blend of berries and healthy foods. The powerful plan has been sourced from Okinawa, Japan, and it doesn't only help shred fats, but it also maintains healthy blood pressure, blood cholesterol, and blood sugar markers. The impressive blueprint that discusses the tonic's recipe also talks about other health-benefiting strategies such as those that improve your sleep, eradicate joint pain, and enhance libido. Being overweight comes with one too many worries. Your health is always making you chase doctors, and there's also a risk of inviting further health problems. People who are obese are at a higher risk of arthritis, cancer, heart disease, brain attack, and whatnot. Then there is the problem of confidence. The inability to fit into clothes, to look into the mirror and feel confident about the image looking back. Being overweight means missed opportunities too. Why is that all the sale girls, receptionists, and managers are fit and good looking with a tucked-in belly? Why do fat people miss all such job opportunities? All these issues make it prominent that a solution is needed for melting off excess pounds. That said, among the many weight loss strategies out there, one is Flat Belly Tonic. This is a program that helps blast off excess fats without any pathetic supplement, any strenuous exercise, or any strict diet plan. The convenient blueprint contains a recipe, a powerful herbal blend that comes from Okinawa. The said drink is to be consumed before 10 a.m. for maximum effects. It triggers metabolic activity, and by supercharging fat burning, it helps slim down and get a consistent flood of energy that keeps you active and attentive. This program works efficiently and is natural. How does Flat Belly Tonic system work? Flat Belly Tonic is a system that talks about a drink that helps lose weight fast. Within just 30 days of starting, you will be able to notice visible results. Basically, as per this program, weight gain happens when the C-reactive protein or CRP disrupts the functionality of the mitochondria and switches off the hormone that is responsible majorly for metabolic activity. This hormone is called adiponectin. All this leads to fat accumulation. Unfortunately, the more weight you gain, the higher the count of CRP goes. You see, as the mitochondria fail to function well, nutrients are not broken down to form energy and fats are stored. This leads to weight gain and fatigue. As CRP increases, the cycle keeps continuing. Then there is adiponectin, which when switched off, hampers metabolic processes. This results in low energy and higher fat storage. The tonic that this guide reveals helps boost metabolism and improve energy levels by switching on adiponectin. It also handles the inflammatory protein CRP, which enables it to help with weight loss. What you get is better health and lowered down risks of diseases. The program also provides other health benefits as it contains other tips for boosting health. Know that all the ingredients recommended are natural and free of adverse side effects of use. Benefits: there are many health benefits that you can expect from Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic system. The Okinawa-sourced program improves your well-being in the following ways. 1. Speedy weight loss. This program is not demanding. It doesn't ask you to risk your health or waste too much of your time. You simply are able to burn off excess fats by adding a weight loss tonic to your routine. The blueprint that contains all the information is clear and easily comprehensible. 2. Enhanced energy. Secondly, this plan also boosts your energy levels. As metabolic activity is triggered, you naturally experience higher energy. With nutrients utilized and energy released, your entire body's well-being is boosted. 3. Doubled focus. When your energy reserves are lacking, you experience a deficiency in alertness. Another benefit that you can expect from this product is improved focus. With your energy now up, your focus is sharpened, and your brain performs better. 4. Overall health. With weight loss encouraged and owing to the healthy ingredients list, this tonic maintains optimal blood pressure, glucose, and cholesterol levels. This lowers your odds of getting cardiovascular problems and improves your overall health. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a comprehensive 4-week program that teaches you how to reshape your eating habits and how to enjoy eating healthy and providing your body with the nutrients it needs to feel its best to promote sustainable weight loss. It's all about getting the good stuff in throughout the day, instead of cutting all of the bad stuff out, making it a realistic weight loss program that is as sustainable as it is effective.